Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be planting some more corns. These ones are the ones I planted during February this year. So we are now in May and it's already matured for eating. So I'll be cutting it off next week because I want it to mature a little bit more. So today we will be planting more corns. See the one I planted last week too. This is corn I planted last week. It's already growing, it's already coming out. It's already coming out. So today I'll be planting in this new area where there is no corn. See where I stopped last week? You can see this is where I'm going to be starting today. I plant it part by part because I don't want all of them to mature at the same time, guys. So today I'll be teaching you the best method to plant corn. These are the corns I planted last week. You can see it's growing. These are the corns I stopped at this week, that last week. So these ones I've not planted anything on it. So now I'm going to be teaching how to plant corn. This is the corn I remained from the one I planted last year. I saved this one from the ones I planted last year for planting this year. So you can see the one I planted last week is already growing. They're already coming up. So now let me show you the fastest and easiest way to plant corn. Let's go there. As you can see the one I'm removing it, you remove it with your hands. Then the fastest way to plant corn is using your leg to make the hole. Using your leg to make the hole is fast. If you just drop, use your leg and cover it and continue. This is the fastest method I know so far of planting corn. You don't need nursery, bed, or anything to nurse this corn. Just plant it like this. As long as there is rain or water, they will all grow well. This is a farm at my backyard, so I don't want to plant everything at the same time so they don't mature at the same time because it's not for commercial purpose. We just have to consume and consume. This area that I've not cultivated, I will still cultivate it maybe next week or next 2 weeks just to give gap. So see the corn I planted on February. These ones I just planted a small portion and I was pouring water on it before the rain started. I also planted yam. That's this thing that you see in front that I use stick to support. I'll talk about it in my next video. Look forward to it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel because I know you must have subscribed to my channel. Don't you like what you see? Please subscribe. Click on the like button. Let's go there. Bye. See you next time. Mwah. In my next series, I'll be teaching you how I plant yams. You know that head of yam that you throw away? That's what I'm planting. You can see some of it on this video. You can see that place that there were sticks, something climbing the sticks. That's the yam. I'll talk about it in my next video. Bye.